sick and I need love. And I can't even lie, baby girl, you like medication. Like medication, every time I'm with you I feel euphoria. I feel euphoria. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Kjsossboy and I'm in Nido, baby, you know what I mean? We're supposed to do a tour today. I guess I chose the worst day to probably do a tour. It's like literally raining right now. It just stopped pouring rain, like so. Yeah, let's see how this goes. I don't know how great this is gonna be. I don't think it's gonna be good at all, but let's see. All faith in God that this all turns out great and the sun comes out and everything. Let's just pray on it.
Actually, we have rules here. Losers. Yes, set. Nice, bro. Oh! Good. 2 minutes charge. 5! No. Final yan! Dispatch! MC! Bingo! Bro! Nice! Takbo! Talaga! Bye! Yun! Oh, MC! Pagtas mo! Bigyan mo! Yes! Gago! Wow!
Come back right here.
Okay, relax. Nice.
Here we go.
Target lock.
Yeah, Kyle. Come on.
MC! That's it, bitch! Hey, hold on, we're good!
Wait, that was in though. That's in though.
Hey, inside! I told you inside, bitch! Inside, bitch! Come on! Inside, bitch! Yes!
That's in, man.
Inside!
Outside, super outside.
Super outside!
Nice, 16.
Super outside!
Kaya lang tayo.
Lugas kayo, hoy!
It's crazy.
Alis tayo!
Tara, let's go. One more game.
Even though it's raining and everything, the day's kind of getting better as it goes. That volleyball is really fun. So we'll see, man. Hopefully the sun comes out. That's what I'm praying on, honestly.
Ay, lalandi pa eh. Uy, James sponsors.
All right, so first starting off the tour, we went and played volleyball and everything like that, and it was really, really fun. But honestly, like, let's just be real. The weather is not ideal for what we were doing on this day. So, yeah, that is what it is. But if I'm being real, the tour guides here are probably some of the best tour guides you can get. You got to watch out for them, though, because they're real deal sharks. These two right here are real deal sharks. I'm talking about they'll go for your girl. I don't care if you're with her. I'm telling you, bro, like, these are real fun guys, though, man. Like, really keep you entertained, keep you high energy. And if you drink, they gonna make you drink. They gonna make you drink it. Matter of fact, 9, 10 a.m., you gonna be drunk the whole day. I don't drink, so I wouldn't know. But he had the girls going, he had the people going, drinking at 9, 10 a.m. And they're the life of the party, bro. And they gonna make this a party tour, even though it's not a party tour. And you're gonna have a lot of fun, man. If I'm going to be real about the Big Lagoon, as I said, not the ideal day to go to the Big Lagoon, but it still was really fun. I ended up sharing the canoe with these two girls, and it was really fun, man. These girls were great energy and everything like that. Really nice people, and I enjoyed it, man. I think I'm loving UK girls. UK girls are just some of the nicest girls I've met. You know what I'm saying? Really, honestly, and truly. Back into the video, man. You know, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking, dude. But y'all gonna see what I'm saying about these boys. These young boys are sharks. They trying to get your girl. They trying to get your girl. What does that look like? Yeah. Nah, I'm good till up there. We're here.
Oh yeah. Whoops. Bye.
I almost got in a crash.
Wanna jump in?
Can you swim or no?
Baby, come. Hello, darling.
What?
Alright, you're driving us now. You're gonna record it for us. Hello.
No, here.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm sorry, though.
Man, this water is so clear.
Let's go. Beautiful.
Always so good, man. Why are the French always so good? Everything they do. Flipped over. This water is so warm though. Fuck.
No, the black fish again, I don't know. Be careful.
What you talking about blackfish? I'm looking at this talking about blackfish. He's talking about some blackfish.
Welcome to the Big Lagoon.
Sorry, I fell.
After this, lunch, and then after that, snorkeling.
Okay, cool.
Then last stop on the volleyball again.
Cool.
Hello, Kyle. Welcome to my vlog. So it's gonna be like this our friend right here. Come here. Come here. All right. So this is our ladies right here. So what's your name, guys?
Charlie.
Charlie.
And Abby.
Abby. Okay. Nice name, right? Yeah.
Anything else? Anything?
You have to say something about the lagoon right here.
The lagoon.
You want me to die?
Never, just one.
So tough to get a piss off.
What the fuck? What? Excuse me? What?
Hey Kyle, what the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Some American shit.
Yeah.
Come here.
I like that.
Oh my god, that shark! Oh, see?
Oh my goodness, hello.
That's a human shark. That's a human shark.
Baby shark.
I'm so ticklish though, bro. I hate that shit, bro. I really hate that shit, bro. Get over it.
We tried. Alright everybody, so we are here now in Big Lagoon, so we're gonna chilling here on the water. Yeah, by the way, so this is my friend from
where?
Canadian girls.
Canadian girls.
Oh,
I'm not sure. I don't think so. Not
I
last
know.
time I checked.
Oh no. Oh fuck. Oh my god.
Where are we from?
Australian girl, sorry. I'm sorry everybody, so I'm sorry, that's my fault. So Australian girls, yeah, just chilling in the water. Yeah, these are my friends from US. Yeah, which part in US, bro?
New York.
Oh my god, New York! New York!
I hate that song so
Oh my god, I'm a good boy. We're gonna have good boys today. Oh my god.
Why don't you show me what love is, baby? Cause I don't know what love is, baby. Honestly, I told you. Why don't you show me what love is, baby? Why don't you show me what love is, baby? Why don't you show me what love is, baby? Why don't you show me what love is, baby? Show me what love is, baby. I'm just sick and I need love. Show me what love is, baby. I'm just sick and I need love. And I can't even lie, baby girl. You like medication. Like medication, every time I'm with you, I feel euphoria. I feel euphoria. Show me what love is, baby. I'm just sick and I need love. And I can't even lie, baby girl. You like medication. Like medication, every time I'm with you, I feel euphoria. I feel euphoria.
All right, quick review of this whole tour and just this little snorkeling part. If I'm really being real, this is not probably the best tour that there is in El Nido. I could see why people think this is the best tour because when you go to the Big Lagoon, it's sunny outside. I bet it's way better than I of experience than I had. But at the same time, like, it's kind of just the tourist trap tour. If I'm really being real, like this is what the tourist attraction is. I feel like the other tours are probably better because you go to places that most people don't go. If I'm being real, I went to Tour C and I'm going to be posting that video tomorrow, so tune in for that. And man, Tour C was 10 times better because Tour C, they took you to all these different places that were secluded, just you and the whole group that you were with, and instead of like all these really crowded places because all the places were really crowded. But if I'm being real, like, it is what you make it, but at the same time, it isn't the best tour. And I feel like it was overhyped and oversold that Tour A is the best. It's just the most touristy tour. So that's another day down in the books in beautiful El Nido, man. Today was a great day, minus the rain and all that stuff. Like, it just turned out to be beautiful, bro. Like, I didn't really care about that at a certain point. Like, you're just trying to make the best of what you can make the best of, you feel me? And just keep it pushing. But now there's this beautiful sunset, bro, and it's just like, I'm thankful, man, for sure. You gotta be thankful for everything, you know what I mean? Because at a certain point, it's like, why you complaining? I had to chat myself on the boat, like, bro, you blessed to have a big problem.